Come with me, just for a moment. Let's step away from the ordinary and journey to a place where the world feels untouched, where every breath of cold air is a reminder that you're alive. Imagine a land where glaciers carve through volcanic rock and steam rises from the earth. Iceland, a place of raw, untamed beauty. Here, fire and ice exist side by side, shaping a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. The ground beneath your feet is alive, whispering stories of ancient eruptions and frozen ages. Here, under the Arctic sky, nature prepares its most spectacular show, the aurora borealis. Ribbons of green and violet dance across the heavens, painting the night with color and wonder. This isn't just about seeing something beautiful, it's about connecting with something greater than ourselves. It's about feeling the pulse of the planet, and realizing how small and precious our place in the universe truly is. Picture yourself standing in the silence of an Icelandic winter night, looking up, feeling awe so deep it stills your soul. The only sound is your breath, the crunch of snow beneath your boots, and the quiet hum of the universe above. The chase is part of the adventure. Will the lights appear tonight? The uncertainty makes the reward breathtaking. Each night brings anticipation, hope, and the thrill of the unknown. In Iceland, the journey is as stunning as the destination: frozen waterfalls, black sand beaches, and wild coastlines. Every turn reveals a new wonder, a new story written in ice and stone. Every moment feels like a discovery, as if you're exploring a world time almost forgot. The landscape invites you to wander, to lose yourself, and to find something unexpected. So pack your warmest socks and your sense of wonder. Bring your curiosity, your courage, and your willingness to be amazed. Leave the noise behind and join me on this quest into the Icelandic wilderness. Let's trade city lights for starlight, and routine for adventure. In perfect darkness, the light truly shines. It's in these moments, far from the familiar, that we find clarity and inspiration. We'll chase the aurora, stand beneath its glow, and create a memory to last a lifetime. Together we'll share stories, laughter, and the quiet magic of the north. The sky is waiting. Are you ready to answer its call? What exactly are these lights? Are they magic? For centuries, people have gazed up in awe, weaving legends and stories about these mysterious ribbons of color that dance across the night sky. In a way, yes, but there's science too. The aurora has inspired wonder and curiosity for generations, and while it feels otherworldly, its origins are rooted in the very real forces of our universe. The story begins with the sun, a fiery giant at the center of our solar system, constantly sending out a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This wind is invisible, but its effects are spectacular. This cosmic breeze travels millions of miles through space to reach Earth, where it encounters our planet's protective shield, the magnetosphere, a vast magnetic field that surrounds and guards us. Most of these energetic particles are deflected away, but some are funneled toward the north and south poles, following the invisible lines of Earth's magnetic field like a cosmic highway. Here, the real magic happens. The solar particles dive into our atmosphere and collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms high above the ground, setting off a chain reaction of energy. These collisions excite the atoms, causing them to release bursts of energy in the form of light. This glowing display is what we call the aurora, or northern lights. The colors you see depend on which gas is struck and how high up the collisions occur. Each combination creates a different hue. Oxygen atoms produce the familiar green, and at higher altitudes, a rare red glow, while nitrogen atoms create shades of blue and purple, adding to the aurora's mesmerizing palette. So, the aurora is a natural masterpiece, a breathtaking collaboration between the sun, earth, and the air we breathe, all working together in perfect harmony. It's cosmic poetry, painted across the sky, a living light show that reminds us of the beauty and power of nature. Every display is a reminder of our connection to the universe, and how even the most distant stars and forces can touch our lives here on Earth. The science only deepens the wonder, revealing a story that is as fascinating as it is beautiful. Next time you look up, remember, you're witnessing a dance millions of years in the making. That's true magic, written in light across the heavens. Describing the aurora is like describing music to someone who can't hear. Words fall short. The experience is so vivid, so overwhelming, that language can only hint at what you're about to witness. The lights are alive, moving and breathing across the sky. They seem to pulse with energy, as if the heavens themselves are putting on a show just for you. At first, you might see a faint green smudge, almost like a cloud. It's subtle, easy to miss if you're not looking for it, blending into the night. Then slowly it grows, intensifying into a vibrant, otherworldly green. The color deepens, spreading across the sky, and you realize you're witnessing something truly rare. The dance begins. Arcs shift and twist, forming rippling curtains and ribbons. The lights move with a grace that feels both natural and supernatural. Sometimes they sway gently, like silk in a breeze. Other times they race across the sky in a wild frenzy, painting the darkness with streaks of color. Shapes emerge, dragons, rivers, birds, each show unique to that moment. No two displays are ever the same, making every sighting a once-in-a-lifetime event. The scale is staggering. The lights can stretch from horizon to horizon and sometimes form a swirling vortex overhead, making you feel as if you're standing at the center of the universe. You feel both small and deeply connected to the universe. It's a humbling, awe-inspiring sensation, as if you're part of something much greater. And all of this happens in utter silence. There's no sound, just the quiet of the Icelandic night, making the spectacle even more surreal. The quiet amplifies the magic, letting you become completely absorbed. It's as if time slows down, and the world narrows to just you in the sky. It's just you, the crisp air, and the greatest light show on Earth. Every breath feels fresher, every moment more vivid under the shimmering sky. The experience is meditative, unforgettable. It invites reflection, a sense of peace, and a connection to nature that lingers long after the lights fade. It's a moment of pure wonder that stays with you forever, a memory you'll carry with you, always longing to return to that magical night beneath the aurora. Timing is everything when chasing the aurora in Iceland. The northern lights appear from late September to early April, with peak viewing from October to March. Darkness and clear skies are essential, so escape city lights and head into the countryside. Sometimes just a short drive from Reykjavik is enough. Find an open view to the north, let your eyes adjust, and be patient. The wait is always worth it. You can see the lights almost anywhere in Iceland, but some places are truly spectacular. The south coast offers black sand beaches and the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Imagine the lights reflecting off ancient icebergs. For more solitude, try the West Fjords or North Iceland, where the skies are even darker. The Snæfellsnes Peninsula, with Kirkjufell Mountain, is another stunning option. Always check the aurora forecast before heading out. A little planning goes a long way. The right place and time make all the difference. Before science, people explained the aurora with stories as magical as the lights themselves. Norse mythology saw the lights as the Valkyries' armor, shimmering as they led heroes to Valhalla. The Sami people believed the lights were the souls of ancestors, treating them with quiet reverence. In Finland, the aurora is called fox fires, from a tale of an Arctic fox sweeping sparks into the sky with its tail. Other cultures saw omens or spirits dancing in the heavens. These legends add a human warmth to the cosmic spectacle. They connect us to generations who gazed up in wonder before us. Even now, the stories remind us to approach the aurora with humility and awe. When you watch the lights, remember these old tales. They make the experience even richer. I remember my first northern lights as if it were yesterday. In the far north of Norway, we waited for hours in the biting cold, hope fading. Then, suddenly, a faint green arc appeared, so subtle I thought it was a trick of the eye. It grew stronger, deepening into luminous green, and excitement swept through us. The sky came alive. The arc rippled and danced, forming shimmering curtains overhead. Pink and purple edged the green, moving with breathtaking grace and speed. I stood, mesmerized, feeling the universe share a secret. In that moment I felt deeply connected to the world and the cosmos. Everyday worries melted away, replaced by pure awe. Tears came, not from sadness but overwhelming joy and gratitude. The scale and beauty of nature humbled me. Seeing the aurora isn't just witnessing beauty, it's feeling something powerful. It's a memory you carry forever. While the aurora can appear anywhere in Iceland, some places make the experience unforgettable. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon icebergs float in still water, reflecting the aurora's colors. A symphony of light and ice. Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach, stand on volcanic sand, waves crashing, sea stacks silhouetted, and the light swirling above. The contrast of dark sand, white foam, and vibrant aurora is primal and powerful. Snæfellsnes Peninsula, Kirkjufell Mountain, and waterfall create the perfect frame for the lights, a photographer's dream. The peninsula is quieter in winter, offering peace as you wait for the sky's magic. For true wilderness, head north to Lake Maivetten, geothermal wonders and bizarre lava fields under clear dark skies. The landscape is stark and captivating, the aurora feels otherworldly. Northern skies are often clearer, increasing your chances. To stand in these wild places as the heavens erupt in color is Iceland at its most beautiful. It's an experience you'll never forget. In Iceland, we're not just visitors, we're guests in a fragile, precious land. The beauty here is raw and untouched, from delicate moss to pure glacier water. Take only photographs, leave only gentle footprints. Stay on marked paths. Icelandic moss can take centuries to recover from damage. Never drive off-road, it's illegal and scars the landscape. Support local communities, eat, shop, and stay local. Learn a few Icelandic words. Simple gestures mean a lot. Be mindful in small villages, these are people's homes, not just tourist spots. On aurora hunts, respect others. Use red lights, keep noise down and leave no trace. Pack out everything you bring in. Responsible travel preserves the magic for everyone. Show gratitude to this land by protecting its wonders. Together, we keep Iceland wild and beautiful. We've explored the science, the myths, the best times and places, and the wonder of the Northern Lights. But reading is one thing, experiencing it is another. Feel the Arctic air, hear the snow crunch, and stand in the silence as the sky comes alive. This is more than a holiday, it's an adventure, a quest for beauty and connection. Iceland will challenge and reward you with moments of breathtaking wonder. Don't let doubts hold you back, the chase is part of the story. Every glacier, every waterfall, every black sand beach is a treasure. The aurora is the glittering prize, but the journey is filled with magic. Be brave, be open, and let your own Icelandic saga begin. Go, stand beneath the celestial ballet, and let the northern lights fill your heart. Your adventure awaits. What are you waiting for?